Hello, welcome to Crewe Audi. Today we have the Audi A1 1 litre SE, finished in an ibis white. The car has the daytime running lights, and also, if you move around to the side of the vehicle, the 15-inch 5-spoke design alloy wheels. High gloss black contrast around the windows. The car's a 3-door, so it is very sporty. Rear parking sensors with a single exhaust. This is an Audi used approved vehicle, so you will get the 145-point check, a minimum of 1 year's warranty and a minimum of 1 year's roadside assistance. Moving to the front of the vehicle, the car has the electronic windows at the front with the heated exterior mirrors, height adjustable front seats with the black cloth interior, 3-spoke sporty steering wheel, cruise control, air conditioning, and also Audi's MMR display with DAB radio. If you'd like any more information on this Audi A1, if you'd like to contact us here at Crewe Audi on 01270 50 70 70. Thank you for watching.